Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CCS and J1772 adapters properly and safely step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary tools and components for your installation. Ensure you have a CCS charger, a J1772 adapter, and any required installation hardware. Begin by locating the charging port on your electric vehicle. Make sure the vehicle is powered off for safety before proceeding. Identify the CCS charging connector on your charger. Carefully align the CCS connector with the charging port on your vehicle. Push the connector into the port until you hear a click, indicating a secure fit. Next, disconnect the CCS connector and set it aside for now. Take the J1772 adapter and inspect it for any damage or wear. Connect the J1772 adapter to the charging port on your vehicle. Again, ensure the adapter clicks into place securely. Now, take the J1772 connector from your charger. Align it with the J1772 adapter securely attached to your vehicle. Insert the J1772 connector into the adapter until it clicks. Confirm that both the J1772 adapter and connector are properly engaged. Once connected, check the charging status indicator on your vehicle. This will confirm whether the connection is successful. If you encounter any issues, disconnect and recheck all connections. Make sure that both the CCS adapter and J1772 components are clean and free from debris. After confirming everything is in place, monitor the charging process to ensure it proceeds smoothly. When charging is complete, first disconnect the J1772 connector from the adapter. Then remove the J1772 adapter from the vehicle's charging port. Finally, store both the CCS charger and J1772 adapter in a safe place. This ensures they are ready for your next charging session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.